Okay, let's see here. I thought it'd be best to actually put this into a video to explain the work that I need done. This happens to be a WordPress theme that I have here that is located at real-strap.com, and that actually pulls up this page here. But basically, this is a WordPress plugin. This is actually not a theme. It's a plugin that is on the back end, and it's called Profit Bay. And basically, you set up these campaigns with all of these parameters, pictures, and such, and you end up with a page looking like this. Now, what I would like to have done, if you see my mouse here by the terms of service and privacy policy, I'd like to have both this hypertext here moved all the way to the left so that it aligns right with this image up here. And then I would also like this text here also moved all the way to the left here, and possibly the font, just shrink the font a bit so that it possibly fits within the width area of this picture here. Now, that's the first thing that I would need done there. After that's done, these two hyperlinks here are controlled uh, by the settings tab in Profit Bay. There is a select a page for term of service and select a page for privacy policy, and that is where these two different hyperlinks are coming from. I'd like to have two more boxes added here. One so that I can pick a page for the home page, and another one so that I can write to the probably the right of privacy policy for a contact page. The home page would basically be if I click one of these other hyperlinks and I end up within those pages, I can actually click a home link. So just explain that I want two more boxes here just like these, one for home page and one for a contact page. And I guess you can look within the code on where to find that. I actually used power grep, and I'm going to provide the source files, and you can actually search for the text so that you know where in the file to go and look to how this is pieced together. Um, Once that is taken care of, I should have a home button, a terms of service, a privacy policy, and a contact page, and hopefully that'll fit just neatly right within this area. I may have to shrink the font a little bit. Now this text here I was able to locate within a file. I would like a box uh, that, let's see here, when you actually go into the campaign, there are a couple boxes here. Notice these boxes here at the bottom. Insert footer code here. So whatever is plugged in this footer code, that's what ends up here. And so what I would like to do is have another box put down on the bottom here that would have a statement that would say text below offer date, or something like that. So it would be like a whole nother box here that would say text below offer date and then a box so that I could actually input some text, and that would be this text that is showing up here. So you should be able to search this within the code to do that. Um, the next thing, and this should be, I think this should sum it up. Notice when I click on terms of service, it just kind of brings me into my blog main looking theme, and so it's not real pretty here. And this is basically like the terms of service. What I would like to do is to have just this terms of service, none of this header stuff, no sidebars or nothing. I would like that to basically show up in this area here, so that it can be displayed here. So once this is clicked, it would just basically show neatly the terms of service in here. And the same with the privacy policy. Once I click that basic whatever hyperlink that's going to, that would just show that page within this area, and this text would disappear. And so you basically what I would end up with is I would have a home, terms of service, privacy policy, and contact, and I could click those, and then this different area would switch there. I think that pretty much sums up the changes that I need done here. This is a very simple theme. I'm going to go ahead and provide the plugin, and if you have any further questions, uh, please do let me know. But this should explain the freelancer project that I need done. And so I'm expecting, I don't know if this is something that can be done right around the $45-50 range. I mean, these changes should be pretty quick for someone that is familiar with coding WordPress plugins and just the PHP language. And that should be it. Let me know if you have any questions.